Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to submit the CSS Profile plus a few quick tips to make it less stressful. This matters because some colleges use it to decide your need-based financial aid. And before you start, have this ready: your 2022 tax return, W-2s, and any schedules. If your student filed taxes have their info too, also prepare your asset details like checking and savings, investment, home value, and mortgage info, other real estate, and business info if you own one. So to begin, Google CSS Profile application. Open the official College Board link and choose the correct year, fall 2024 to spring 2025. Then log in using your student's College Board account. If they don't have one, create an account and follow the prompts. So on the dashboard, if you're divorced or separated, it may ask for the non-custodial parent's email added so that they can complete their own non-custodial CSS profile. The form stays private between parents, but colleges can review both. As you fill it out, focus on required questions first. If a question is not required, you can usually leave it blank. Also, don't click optional yes or no questions unless you plan to answer the follow-up fields. So to add colleges, go to academic information, search the school name, select it, answer the required details, and then save. So for income sections, use the exact tax return lines the form asks for. For W-2 questions, use the help buttons to find the right box numbers. For 2023 estimates, be honest but don't overestimate if you're unsure. In student resources, be careful not to promise more than you can truly pay. Only list scholarships or outside help if you're 100% sure they're happening. If it's not confirmed, put 0. At the end, review everything, fix any mistakes, then pay and submit. Save your submission proof like a screenshot or PDF confirmation. And thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.